In this video, you guys can see the differences between the cheap versus expensive white t-shirt here in India. By the end of this video, you guys will get to know how much you should spend on a white t-shirt. What's up my stylish people, this is Shank, welcome back to the channel. If you don't know, there is already a video on black t-shirts, which is the cheap versus expensive black t-shirt and how much you should spend on a black t-shirt here in India. This is a continuation for that video, but here I have gone with the white t-shirt. First of all, to begin with, why it is really important to know how much you should spend on a white t-shirt? Because of one simple reason. This is the basic essential or a must-have basic in each and every man's wardrobe. If you ask me, what is the most worn piece and what is my go-to piece from my wardrobe, without even giving it a thought, I will say it's the white t-shirt. That's the most versatile piece in your wardrobe and you have to invest carefully, and there are so many factors you have to consider before buying a white t-shirt. So I got you guys covered and I will make your life easy by going through 4 price points in this video. The first price point is at $399, the second price point is at $499, the next price point is at $799, and the fourth price point, just go to the extremes at $2,999. At price point of 399 rupees, I have chosen one of the most popular brand among the t-shirts, in particular the basic round neck or v-neck t-shirts. So it is from a brand called Jockey. Yes, if you watched my last video on the cheap versus expensive black t-shirt, I recommended you guys to go for rupees 399 Jockey t-shirt, and I have chosen the 399 as the winner for that video. But however, my opinion differs when it comes to the white crew neck t-shirt from Jockey, because of 2 reasons. One, there is a slight off color or discoloration to it when compared to the purest form of the white color. The number 2, it's transparent guys. It's not like a super transparent material, but yes, it is slightly transparent that you have to consider before making your purchase decision. To start with, what exactly I liked in this shirt is the fit. I have gone true to size with a size of medium and it fits well. And always do remember guys, for the t-shirt to consider as best fitting, it should fit snug at the chest area as well as the arms area. At the arms area, make sure that it is little above the tricep area. If not, you can always pin roll it, but there should not be any flaring of the sleeves. That is an important point. And it should be having enough room at the waist area, which this t-shirt have. It's not a 100% cotton t-shirt guys. It is having a composition of 80% of cotton and 20% of polyester. Apart from the fit, I would not recommend this t-shirt at a price point of $399 to any of you guys because of the discoloration, as I have used it for close to 2 to 3 months, and the material being transparent except for layering with flannels or maybe with a jacket. It may not be useful much if you have to rock just the plain white t-shirt. Moving on to the next price point, which is at $499. It's a t-shirt from Roadster. This I purchased from Myntra and it is available most of the times for discounted price of maybe 200 or 300 or even less. However, in this video, I'm reviewing for the full price point of 500 rupees because during the sale times, the price may differ. To start with, it's a 100% cotton t-shirt. If there is a minor disqualifier, if I have to say at this price point for this t-shirt, is the neckline. The width is little bit more to my liking, just like the Jockey t-shirt. However, it is manageable, but there is a major disqualifier, as I mentioned, with the discoloration or the off color for the Jockey t-shirt, because I have used it for a considerable amount of time and it has gone for 4 to 5 washes. However, this is a brand new t-shirt from Roadster, and to start with, it seems like an off-white color. At a glance, if you see only the t-shirt, you will not get to know. That's the reason you guys can see I have shown in the daylight, because in the studio lights, you may not recognize the differences. When you see this with the purest form of white color from the other t-shirts, you will certainly note the difference. It is an off-white color, and also do note that I bought the white color one, not the off-white version. That's the point you have to note, and that is a major drawback, because for the white t-shirts, that's the most important aspect, and that's a pity because it fits very well for a 499 rupees t-shirt. We can't help it, and I do not recommend this one either. Moving on to the next price point, which is $799. It is a crew neck half sleeve white t-shirt, as you know in this video, from Jack & Jones. However, I got this in a size of large. I will touch the base on the reason a little later in this video. Coming to what I liked in this t-shirt. One, the material, even though it's a 100% cotton material, if you see this very closely, it is having a slight amount of stretch. It feels smooth on your skin when compared to other two t-shirts in this video, and there is no discoloration to it. You will get the purest form of the white color. Second, it just ends right. The overall length of the t-shirt, it is just perfect. And the third, it fits well, albeit with one condition. Yes, in order for the t-shirt to fit well, you have to size up, guys. Means it fits well even at your true to size, but when it comes to the room at the waist area, they will go to the extremities of the slim fit. So I have gone for the large size instead of the medium size, and right now it fits super well to me, and even I have room at the waist area. This is one of the best pickup at 799 rupees price point. Also, do ensure that you pick the recent version, because this is the Jack & Jones basics and they do release season after season with minor tweaks to the fit of the t-shirt. I have gone with the recent version which they released a month back. Moving on to the extremities of the price point, which is at 2,999. At this price point, I have chosen the white half sleeves t-shirt from Calvin Klein jeans in a size of medium. Why one would need to spend 3,000 rupees on a t-shirt, guys? Yes, but in case if you want to spend 3,000 rupees, because you are going to get a fair amount of advantages when it comes to the higher price points, we have gone with the normal cotton material. But still, the moment you pick up this t-shirt, you will immediately know that this is a premium version of the cotton. You can feel the quality without even putting on. That's how good the material is. And also this material have a composition. It's a 95% cotton and a 5% elastane to it. Among all these t-shirts, I can say this is one of the comfortable white t-shirts I have put on. It's a slim fit t-shirt. It fits a little bit on the regular side. However, I bought with that Calvin Klein jeans logo on top of it. You can go for the cleanest version as possible. If you spend a 3,000 rupees on a t-shirt, maybe you would want the brand logo. You just wanted to embrace it, and this logo not being too bold. If you want it as a layering piece or if you want it to style as is, it's good to go. They have more room when it comes to the waist area than how it should be. And also at the sleeves area, they don't fit well, guys. That you have to consider. If you fold or if you pinroll the sleeves, then it is fine, or else it's not ideal. Do you think so? I would recommend this at a price point of 3,000 rupees. If you have enough money and if you find it at a discounted price at anywhere between 1,500 to 1,800, that's also a little more to ask for a t-shirt. But yes, at that price point, at least I would recommend to just give it a thought or to consider this as an option if you have the budget to spare, or else you may skip this one. Also, I just wanted to let you know in advance, like a pre-notification, there is a white t-shirts haul coming very soon. There I have included 10 of the white t-shirt options. Now it's the time to choose the winner among 4 different price points, and the answer you're waiting for. You should be spending 799 rupees on a white half sleeve t-shirt, which is the basic essential in every man's wardrobe. You're good to go if you spend 799 rupees for the Jack & Jones t-shirt, because you are going to get the best of the materials. You're going to get the purest form of the white color. It fits well, but make sure that you size up. Apart from the Jack & Jones t-shirt at the price point of 399 and 499, the 2 t-shirts which I have shown in this video, I do not recommend to you guys because they have a chance of discoloration, even though they fit well, and jockey t-shirt being transparent and roadster t-shirt being off-white rather than the purest form of white. So you got the answer. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please click the like button so that YouTube algorithm will push the video and it can help more people like you. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notifications bell so that you will get notified as soon as I post the video. That's it from me. See you guys next time.